You don't need hundreds of pounds to build a smart home. These upgrades under 50 can transform your space instantly. Smart home under 50. These affordable devices are easy to install, simple to use, and perfect for beginners. I've been testing dozens of budget gadgets. The value you get now is real. Today, the greatest 11 smart home upgrades under $50 that solve real problems, add convenience, and save energy. Think practical, reliable, small wins that compound into a genuinely smarter home. No complicated installs, no big subscriptions, just useful tech. Let's get into it. I start with the simplest, most universally useful item, the TP-Link Tapo Smart Plug. Plug it into any socket, then your lamp, a fan, or a coffee maker. Control them from the app. Set schedules, create simple automations. Bedside lamp on, before you wake, kettle waits until you say so. They cut standby power. In the UK, standby costs add 35 Aus 86 per year for many homes. Scheduling and timers help shave pounds without changing habits. They're reliable, easy to set up, and often under $20 each. Name plugs clearly, group by room, keep schedules simple. Link to Alexa or Google Home for hands-free control. You just upgraded dumb devices for very little money. The Echo Dot is the budget entry point to voice automation and smart control. It's compact, sounds better than you'd expect, and acts as a capable hub for many devices. For under $50, you get hands-free, voice control, routines, timers, music, and news, a high-value piece of the ecosystem. Use a good night routine, lights dim, outlets switch off, sensors arm your security scene. Place it centrally, connect to Wi-Fi, link services, check privacy settings. You can delete voice history and mute the mic physically. The IKEA Clipbox is a tiny, inexpensive sensor that can prevent costly water damage. Place it under sinks, near washing machines, or by a boiler to detect moisture early. An instant alert can be the difference between a quick mop and a full repair bill. It's battery powered, unobtrusive, and integrates via IKEA's app or hub. At around $7, you can cover multiple risk spots. Tip, pair it with a smart plug for a sump pump or an automated shut-off valve for extra protection. Budget security cameras have come a long way. Wisecam proves affordable doesn't mean limited. You get motion detection, two-way audio, and clear video, even color night vision on newer models. Use local micro SD if you care about privacy and want to avoid cloud subscriptions. Great for packages, pets, and high traffic areas. Mount in room corners for maximum coverage. Tune sensitivity to reduce false alerts and keep firmware up to date for security. LED strips are one of the fastest ways to change a room's atmosphere. Behind a TV for bias lighting, under cabinets for ambiance, or along shelves for depth. Control via app or voice. Some sync to movies or music. Even warm static tones reduce eye strain. For $40, you get RGBW options that integrate with assistants or work via remote. Installation is adhesive and reversible. Clean the surface, measure twice, cut at marked lines, hide controllers. Add diffuser or aluminium channels for a finished premium look. If you want the easiest upgrade, swap a single smart bulb. You get on-off dimming and schedules without rewiring. Ceiling fixtures or lamps, done. Use sunrise wake lights, evening dim schedules, and present simulation for security. Budget color bulbs aren't perfect for accuracy, but in frequently used fixtures they're ideal. Stick to one platform or use a central hub. Keep bulbs on stable Wi-Fi or a hub to avoid dropouts. The Broadlink RM4 Mini turns old IR remotes into smart devices. If your TV, soundbar or aircon uses IR, you can control them from your phone or via voice. Teach it remote commands, save macros and trigger them on schedules or routines. IR needs line of sight. Mount where it can see the devices or place multiple units for tricky angles. For pennies, you reclaim control and reduce clutter. Motion sensors are foundational. They detect presence and trigger lights, alerts, and scenes. Put one in a hallway to avoid fumbling in the dark. Lights just follow you. They're great for notifications. A garage or storeroom sensor can alert you when you're away. Combine sensors with plugs and bulbs for hands-free, reliable interactions. Install at ankle or chest height based on use. Test detection angles. Use short timeouts in high-traffic areas and longer in reading rooms. Contact sensors are simple magnets and switches that unlock powerful automations. Front door triggers an entry scene. Cupboards track medicine access. Windows alert when left open. Great for renters, no drilling. Pair with a plug or camera to launch routines. Align the two halves cleanly, keep a fresh battery, and name sensors clearly for meaningful notifications. When managing several devices, a smart power strip or energy monitoring plug is ideal. Switch outlets individually, monitor usage per device, and cut phantom loads without unplugging. Under $50 gets you a compact strip with multiple ports and energy data, energy visibility, changes behavior, finds standby drains and automate sleep or awake cutoffs. Label cables so app names make sense, then schedule power off scenes for tidy, energy conscious results. A small temperature and humidity sensor is a high impact upgrade for comfort and efficiency. Track microclimates across basements, nurseries and radiator heated rooms. Trigger fans, heaters or dehumidifiers automatically using smart plugs when thresholds are met. Multi-room dashboards help balance comfort. Humidity spikes can auto-trigger ventilation. Keep sensors away from sunlight and heat sources. Over time, data helps optimize comfort and reduce HVAC wear. We covered 11 practical upgrades under $50 with outsized value, plugs, sensors, cameras, and lighting. Start where these solve real problems, then build from there. Choose compatible ecosystems early, name devices clearly, automate small tasks so your home just works.